Smallville Design Students, ama-architects and ama-principal agents projects. So in the nature project here, it represents renovations of Corinth Primary School, of which we less of scope who represent renovation. So we will see it's called starting condition so and then Miss Bulala ama blocks up at dying conditioner rights. So I replace and take to shifan. So we like for like go back into Sibulalayo, so we sell interganjalo to align and norms and standards at TOD. So firstly, the project is under classification as stop damage, of which condition yakona better kungabona ukuthi no fanele kube khona intervention higher than le ebabeyiplane in education. So base bayi scope ke wawubona ukuthi ku R&R njengoba nisazi isimo sesikole ukuthi sasibheda kakhulu kwayikhona ukuthi into esayifica khona la esikoleni kwaku 5 classroom block obheda kakhulu phepha ku roof ukuthi khona umunye 5 classroom block ngizocela ukukho kwakukhona labo 5 classroom block about 2 ibonake laba esibabonayo esayithini so babona kahle mesisenze walkabout laba banqume bathi kanje abathole ama roof sebenza iplaster and paint so ba renovative ba under renovation ibonake abaphatha u2 ay under scope se renovation esawafica la sawafica ne office lathisho omkhulu lalincanyane lingekho kwi condition rights al demolisher kwawukuthi sifica nomunye 3 classroom block nomunye 3 classroom block bese kuba khona i-SNP kitchen ne guard house okuningi kwakho nge-block work kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi i-condition yakho nebheda kakhulu wafanele sikushaye phansi sikureplace nokusha.